Hey everybody, Joseph here. We said that we would prevent up to 20,000 liters of bleach-contaminated water from entering our waterways, rivers, and streams this year. As of April the 27th, I'm proud to say that we are at 7,500 liters prevented as of this time. We have a few more jobs lined up for the next couple of weeks. We'll easily break into that 10,000 by the end of May. I'm very confident in it. Thank you everyone for joining us on this journey. Now, for those of you just joining us, Valleywise Exteriors is the only third-party, independently verified, eco-friendly exterior treatment company in the Cowichan Valley. We've partnered with a number of different organizations to be able to deliver a rainforest-friendly demossing method for your roof. It's incredibly important here in the valley because our storm drains run directly into the river, which means that everything sprayed on your roof that goes into the gutter system is immediately protected from the sun. Those chlorine salts and everything else end up draining directly into the river system. We've developed our formula so it actually self-destructs itself even in the shade within a few hours, and once it breaks down, it actually is almost a mild fertilizer. So not only does it kill the moss off of your roof, any residuals are much more eco-friendly than any other option out there. It works better than trying to scrape the granules off your shingles and then sprinkle a powder on your roof afterwards, and it works miles better than the bleach alternative. We call it ether. We're incredibly proud of it, and we're happy to deliver it exclusively in the Cowichan Valley because, well, we live here. So my name is Joseph, Valleywise Exteriors. If your home needs any exterior treatment, especially moss, mold, mildew, etc., give me a shout, valleywise.ca. Thanks, guys.